Untitled Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to roast a whole chicken, which will be moist, tender, juicy, and very delicious. And most important of all, it's going to be a very easy recipe and very easy to follow. So the way that I roast a whole chicken is that I marinate it 45 minutes before you roast it, or do it ahead of time. Like the way that I do, I marinate a couple chickens on the weekend, or usually on Sundays, and I just throw them in the fridge. And during the week when I come from work, just take it out and roast it in the oven. And you can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days, and it's not going to go bad. And along with the chicken, I usually cook vegetables, just season it and spray it with olive oil, throw it in the oven, and that's all there is to it. I hope you join me. I'll be back and show you how to make this delicious roasted chicken, which is going to be very easy and very delicious. Thank you for joining me today. welcome back. Here's our beautiful roasted chicken. I roasted two, as you saw, and they both look fabulous. I love the color. So I'm going to try some, and I'll get a little bit from the center. Wow, I already feel this is very moist and very soft. Very juicy. It looks really good. I'm gonna get some vegetables. I'm telling you, I haven't tried the chicken yet, but it is very soft. Wow. Wow, very delicious. As I mentioned several times already, very soft, very juicy. And that's how I want my chicken to be, soft and not dry, and very tender and flavorful. It is very, very moist. And I love the vegetables, and so you don't want to overcook the vegetables. You only need about 15 to 20 minutes to roast your vegetables. I hope you make this recipe, and if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and make sure to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. Love you all. Goodbye.
Number 2.